Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. It's been a moment, just a moment, just a moment from everybody. So I thank God and I trust God that you're blessed, you're well. I'm really, really excited. I'm really, really excited. So I just want you guys to see something, right? You see, in this particular instant, I've got a market that moved about 90 pips. Let's just say from the lowest point, the market moved about 102 pips, right? And to the highest point of the day. And let me tell you guys something about this. I had a session yesterday with with a couple of my students, and I told them that this was what I was anticipating, right? And today it happened. So I was explaining that a lot of people, they lose money in Forex because of a few things like your trend lines and stuff like that. As you can see, I drew this stuff. But I just need you guys to listen to this, and I'm just going to play about 30 seconds or maybe 20 seconds, whatever the case, so that you listen what I was saying briefly. This is not a mentorship. It's just me, trying to help you guys, show you guys the part of mentorship that we do here. The day I have a day. That's what it's all about. Because when you understand how, for instance, let's say last week you understood, you know what the market is supposed to do on the Monday or the Tuesday. For instance, you see the market has been coming down. I'm expecting tomorrow. This is when I spoke about, remember I'd been building my case. This is when I spoke about what was going to happen. You see, when I spoke about this, it was 22 October. As you can see, the market was still down here, the GBP USD, right? Let's listen. Your session to be a reversal that the market starts showing up. And they follow that trend until the week ends. If they don't do it tomorrow, they'll do it on Wednesday. And they are most likely to do it tomorrow, New York session, or tomorrow, or the day after London session. So, like, guys, you see, I spoke about it, and look at what the market did. I told them the market had been coming down, and I told them that I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. So tomorrow, I know I'm going to make a lot of money when I catch the low of the day, which was today. And you see, the market came to that point and it shot up. I'm excited. I mean, like the way I've simplified this thing these days, and the way it's easy for people to understand the market and catch and kill in the market. My next video, I'm going to focus on showing you my results of my students, the screenshots mainly of what their feedback that I've been getting so far. And I'm excited. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out. Stay blessed, stay well, and stay winning. God bless you.